So I'm already getting down to the final end. You can see I have 4 cutlets there already. And the other one's about to come out soon. I just wanted to give you guys the after look of how they ended up coming out. They all came out so beautiful. I got the other ones there too, which I just flipped over, which you see is not completely ready yet. And I'm gonna wait probably about 20 minutes before I start on the rice. This is a little baby one that ended up coming out through there. And I only have 1 pot, so I could do my rice, which is this one. Which you always do it on a big burner. You don't do it on the little one. You do it on the big burner. And right now I'm just reheating this rice. My wife forgot to take this to work with her. She was supposed to make herself a plate, and this was so delicious. This was cut up chicken breast with green peppers and onions, the way I do it, of course, with some yellow rice. See, I did yellow rice. So I'm just heating it up because it's a shame to throw it away. It was just made yesterday. So I'll probably add it to my meal today, which I'm going to eat a chicken cutlet today. But not with the white rice. I made it with this yellow rice. It won't go to waste. But yes, this was so tasty yesterday. I can't believe we all ate it. We all loved it. This is delicious. So I'm just reheating it right now. I leave it lightly until it got hot. Then I bring it down to 2 so it can just warm up naturally. But yep, these are the chicken cutlets I did. These are about ready. Yep, get that color on that. And the little baby cutlet. That one's gonna be juicy. One of the kids always fights for the little pieces so they can sneak in another piece and be like, oh no, this is just an appetizer. It's a little piece. But it's actually pretty big. Well, like I said, I'm already getting down to the end. And I did it with just that one time of filling up the oil. I mean, if you always had to add a little bit, you could. It's never good to deep fry with very little oil on the pan. But as you can see, I only did 6 chicken cutlets. And it was off of just a 2-pack. It didn't cost too much. I bought it at, you know, the Spanish supermarkets, Presidente. Where the price of chicken breast was only, I think... It was pretty cheap. I think it was like $1.80 a pound. Sometimes it's anywhere from $2 to $2.25. Compared to Publix, of course, which is like $4 or $5 a pound. And then you got Walmart, which they also have it at $1.99, but they have it in those big jumbo packs where you have to pay like $16. This I only paid, I think, like $3.50 for a 2-pack of breast. And look how much meat I made out of this. I mean, this is a whole meal right here for $4. See the coloring I'm telling you comes out. Oh yeah, this is way over crispy, which is delicious. This is the way you really want it to come out. See, these are lightly breaded. These are just cooked to perfection. But when you get these that come out like this sometimes, oof, those are the best. So yeah, it's already time for these to come out already. Now you just gotta place it the right way. Let's see which is gonna come out first. Yeah, definitely this one. See, that one's right there. Yeah, that one's just gorgeous. Shut off my pan. It's all off. Definitely don't want to burn down the house. And like I said, let the oil go down really quick. And there you go. A whole plate of chicken cutlets made to perfection. Doesn't get any better than that, people. Okay. It's your boy Eddie Ed, and I'll be making some white rice in a little bit. Take care.